today's a good day and we are heading to the
mall.
Heading to the mall. Gonna have a little bit of fun. Yeah. The big man. I just say it look like food chichi bus them.
So many chichi bus.
I just sometimes I'm concerned, but you don't know nothing about my country.
Blue and white bus them not talk.
JUTC. Yellow bus.
And the bus that wagon.
You know something make a take bus?
You can't make a take bus.
Yeah man, I make a take bus man.
Just
You need to learn to take bus and taxi man, cause you grow too sheltered boss.
Yeah man, see me used to take bus when I have no care, but now I have care about Gucci.
You're Gucci?
Yeah.
You're Gucci. You want some lick boy, you're Gucci.
Daddy, I say you want some Gucci.
Yeah, so Gucci lickers daddy would have said in. Why am I not telling her I'm afraid? Because when I see Eve and this, I'm afraid, you know? I'm really afraid. This taxi man does a go on so. And I eat it, but I'm really nigga now work. You must not work. I never believe it work. You think it'll work?
I don't think it'll work, you know.
Because from when we see E.
And I'm not even like God taxi
So
place.
I will pass 2 gas stations. Cha-cha. Well, this is a good look. Sephora. But first, bathroom. Aldo. You lie. You can't disrespect the people again. The people play shots. Eh? Oh yeah. So Miss Zara, she over there so. Jamaicans, there's no line at Krispy Kremes in India. We don't need to behave on yourself and stop balance. So. Oh wow. And of course, the sacred elephant. This is a huge mall. So big, we're yet to find the...
Yeah, go down there.
Alright, sit. Food court. We're yet to find the food court. There's a couple of food places here. Look, along the side. Yeah man. Definitely look like we can get food up here. She got them up there. Yeah, babe? Sure. Oh, Animal Farm. This. I use it in a grade 7 or 8. We're going inside. The best place on earth. Oh. Brand new blush. Hello.
The fragrance?
I'm just looking. I'm just looking. Okay, thank you. Oh my god. Liquor off, you know.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೋ ಬಂದು ಹುಡುಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಬಿಡಕಣಲ್ಲ ಅವಳು ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ರೈಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ಲು ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ದ ಬುಲೆಟ್ ಗಾಡಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಗಾಡಿ ಎದ್ಲು ಅವಳು ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಲು ಇವು ಐದ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊ ಹೋಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಟಚ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಬಿದ್ದು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ
Yeah, what people help her do. She'll get water to drink and something that's nice.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕತೆ
Oh wow. Somebody drive really bad. See, man, help her. Man, look her. Man, help her. Well, we have a new addition and I'm so excited to show people this. Guess who? Them get fridge in them room. Manager say anything for you. And it's a cool now. But just want to wipe out and sing. Manager say anything for you, so we get fridge. I guess after we are living so long, might as well.
Might as well.
Sunday's blessing, everybody. Sunday's blessing. So today, I cook a pot and what else besides? You know, I'm vlogging. So behind me, I'm a dry food Shirley. You see, curry chicken a bubble up. Right to come after, and then I tried making some vegetable, but their cabbage is not as like green like ours. Say look kind of whitish. You wanna watch that? Don't watch that. Yes, I'm have cabbage, tomato, and you know me can't share the cabbage with my hand, but the tomato, but the carrot was not giving my love. Carrot never did I give, and then I had some green sweet pepper, and also red sweet pepper, and well as the tomato, as I said before. And as I said, I try with the carrot, but it's not giving. Now I give a thing. That's fine though, because white rice coming, white rice loading for mash up with my curry chicken. Yeah, you do that, you know? Do that, you know? Yeah, do that. Yeah, man. I try. No, you don't know, some I have a lot of ingredients. But I try. And don't tell me the carrot not supposed to be in my curry chicken. Me fight you. Me fight for that. Me fight for less than that. Stop eat out today. I don't do that time yet.
Right. Listen, counter proposal. You take 2 more handful of the gravy and 1 Irish and 1 more piece of chicken.
Well, but that's in a counter proposal. What is the opposing?
That's for you to decide.
That's for me to decide. Go and eat out the food.
Alright, look.
Later when you're hungry, when hungry, I'll box you later.
Alright, counter proposal. 2 handful of the gravy and 1 piece of chicken.
You could have counter like a shop counter. When you're hungry later, I hope you know, contempt yourself, go down a shop, go down a restaurant, go buy food. Cause you eat the food early. Curry nice. Yes, see. Oh my god. Guys, there's nothing wrong with this because I'm in my type pot alone, so it's fine for him to eat from the spoon.
You know, do it at home, you know.
We know, so you know, do it at home. Okay.
Hot and nice.
Oh god. You mush it up yourself later, you know?
Yeah.
Dude, I go catch you.
One milk and one yogurt, me drink right.
Dudu?
And when me did go,
Dudu and knock on your door. Continue. Continue, man. Come on, bro. Steady hands.
this is an excuse one to become a surgeon, you know.
My hand was shake like a walk. I'm afraid me drop it.
And if I drop you lose.
Yeah.
No, look at structure for you. Okay.
Oh yeah, Wally. You're the Wally. Do you know?